Most people save money, but never learn how to make it grow faster. Saving alone is slow. Investing is how money actually starts working for you. But beginners feel confused. Where should you invest first without losing money? Here are 10 smart investments that beginners can start today with confidence. First investment: high-interest savings accounts. Safe, simple, and perfect for starting your journey. Your money stays secure while earning small returns, better than keeping cash idle. Second investment: index funds. They track the market and grow steadily over time. Instead of picking stocks, you invest in the entire market at once. Third investment: dividend stocks. These pay you cash regularly while your investment grows. You earn passive income without selling your investment, creating consistent cash flow over time. Fourth investment: mutual funds. Professionals manage your money and diversify your risk automatically. This is great if you want expert help without learning everything yourself first. Fifth investment: real estate. Property builds long-term wealth and generates rental income. Even one small property can become a powerful income asset over time. Sixth investment: gold. It protects your money during inflation and economic uncertainty. Gold may not grow fast, but it protects your wealth when markets fall. Seventh investment: bonds. These provide stable returns with lower risk than stocks. You lend money and earn interest, making it a safer option for beginners. Eighth investment: exchange-traded funds. Flexible like stocks but diversified like mutual funds. You can buy and sell them anytime while still spreading your investment risk. Ninth investment: small business. Starting one can multiply income faster than traditional jobs. It requires effort, but gives you control, scalability, and unlimited earning potential. Tenth investment: skills. Learning high-income skills can generate money for life. Skills are the only investment that no one can take away from you. Now you know 10 investments, but choosing the right mix is what truly builds wealth. Smart investors never put all their money into one single investment. They diversify to reduce risk and keep growing even when one investment fails. Think of investing like planting multiple seeds instead of depending on one tree. Another key rule is consistency. Small investments done regularly create powerful long-term results. This is called compounding, where your money earns money again and again. Time is your biggest advantage. Starting early gives your money more time to grow. Even small amounts invested early can become large wealth in the future. Most beginners fail because they wait too long instead of starting small today. You do not need a lot of money. You need the right mindset and action. Smart investors focus on habits, not quick wins or risky shortcuts. Avoid emotional decisions. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies in investing. Stay calm during market drops and avoid panic selling your investments. Markets go up and down, but long-term growth rewards patient investors. Another mistake is chasing trends instead of understanding what you invest in. Always understand the investment before putting your hard-earned money into it. Track your investments regularly to see what is working and what needs improvement. Reviewing helps you make better decisions instead of blindly following others. Set clear financial goals so your investments always have a strong purpose. Without a goal, investing becomes random and less effective over time. Always keep an emergency fund before investing to protect yourself from unexpected situations. This prevents you from selling investments during emergencies and losing money. Avoid debt traps before investing because high interest can destroy your financial growth. Pay off high-interest debt first, then focus fully on building your investments. Start small, stay consistent, and increase your investments as your income grows. Discipline beats talent in investing because habits build wealth slowly but surely. Even average investments can become powerful if you stay consistent for years. Do not try to time the market because predicting it is almost impossible. Instead, invest regularly regardless of market conditions to reduce risk over time. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging, and it protects you from volatility. Finally, stay patient because real wealth takes time and consistency to build. Quick money traps destroy beginners, but smart investing builds long-term financial freedom. If you apply these strategies, your money will slowly start working harder than you. You do not need luck, you need knowledge, patience, and consistent smart decisions. Every expert investor started as a beginner who simply decided to take action. Start today, invest smartly, and build the financial future you truly deserve. Your journey begins with one small decision that can change your financial life forever. Remember, consistency and patience always beat speed when building real long-term wealth. Stay focused, avoid distractions, and keep building your investments step by step. This is how beginners turn into confident investors and create lasting financial success. Your future wealth depends on what you choose to do with your money today. Make the smart choice now, because time will not wait for you. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes to reach financial freedom. Small steps today will create big results that feel impossible right now. Focus on progress, not perfection, and keep moving forward every single day. The difference between success and failure is simply taking action again and again. Now you have the knowledge. The next step is to start your investing journey today. Your future self will thank you for the smart decisions you make today.